Hey guys, glam this my beautiful client with me. So we started by carving the eyebrow, and you already know the shape of your eyebrow determines how your eye pencil, the direction your eye pencil will go while drawing it. So after carving the eyebrow, I went ahead to clean the face because that's the next thing after carving your eyebrow. So after cleaning the face, I went in with my hydrating spray to hydrate the face. Here I had to go in with my flat brush to make sure that the hydrating spray stay intact. So after hydrating spray, I went in with my serum, the Odogu of them all, and this serum helps to lock in to hold the makeup. I always make use of my fan to make sure that the skincare that I'm putting on her skin is locked in. So after my serum is my moisturizer. This moisturizer is good for every makeup that you are doing. Even if you are not doing makeup, it's good to moisturize your face. If you also notice, my fan is on while doing all this process to make sure that is dry. Next is my Stay Matte Rimmel. I applied this particular product on the bridge of her nose, her forehead, her eyebrow, almost all her T-zones. Those places that she normally sweats, that sweat used to come out. That's the places that I applied this Stay Matte. Lastly, I had to lock in the skin prep with the finishing spray. Make sure you allow the finishing spray to dry very well before going in with your foundation. You apply your foundation using your fluffy blush, then you go in with your damp beauty blender. You have to make sure that you blend the foundation. Make sure you are not dragging the beauty blender, just tap and tap. After the foundation, you go in with your concealer and make sure that you blend by tapping. Then after that, you conceal the bridge of the nose and the forehead. You don't need to pack too much product, small is okay. Next, I went in with my setting powder, making sure it covers the places that I have highlighted before with my concealer. I make sure that I get all the places. You don't need to put too much setting powder at this stage. Next, I had to go in with my powder to set the whole face, for the whole face to be matte. After applying powder and you touch the face and it still contains moisture, that means you still need to apply more powder on that face. You need to powder the face very well. Next, I had to go in with a brighter shade of powder for the under eye and make sure that powder touches everywhere so that it won't crease at that area. You don't need that under eye to crease. At this point, we are not forgetting the bridge of the nose and the forehead area. We had to use powder, apply powder on these areas to make sure that it's matte. Next is nose contouring. For me, I prefer powder contour for my nose. I prefer using powder. Make sure that the contour you use for the upper part of the nose is darker than the rest of the nose. It should be darker. The rest should be a lighter shade. Next, I had to define my cheek area, and I didn't film where I applied blush. I used powdered blush for this my client. After blush, I always make sure that I go in with powder on top of that blush so that it will not be too much, too shouting. I locked in this whole process with my setting spray. Then I had to dry the setting spray so that it will be dry, it will be matte. So during the process of drying the face, I had to thin my eyebrows with eyebrow thinner. Sorry, I could not film it. I had to thin the eyebrow with eyebrow thinner. After her face must have dried, I went in with my setting powder again. This time around, I'm baking the face. I'm making sure that the whole place that I applied concealer, that I covered it very well with my Becharm Ageless setting powder. After setting the whole face, I had to go in with my eyebrow gel for my eyeshadow. That's what I used in doing her eyeshadow, this particular eyeshadow. After doing that, I had to blend it very well with a dark shade of powder. This particular process is really necessary so that it will not crease, it will look defined and good too. I so much love doing this particular eyeshadow. Look at how blended the whole look is. Just with your dark shade of powder, you can achieve this look. I did every other thing off the camera. If you have watched this video till this extent, thank you for engaging, and also like, comment, drop any other ideas you want me to put in. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification button to know when I drop my next video. Thank you.